Hello students, today will be discuss about chief qualities of the play 7 Steps Around the Fire. The plots of the play of Mahesh Dattani are well constructed. He begins with an exposition in which the main questions regarding the theme is raised, and by the end it is solved in quite satisfactory manner. The most important quality of his plots is that no clue is left unsolved, and normally the unities have been carefully observed continue throughout. In this play, where there is will, and this practice continues throughout. In this play, 7 Steps Around in the Fire, the theme has been indicated in the stage direction even before the actions. Begins of stage. We hear the sound of the marriage ceremony solemnized with the singing of Sanskrit mantras and the crackle of fire. Both these are the essential part of Hindu marriage. This is quite according to the theme of marriage dealt with the play. The sound of scream of a woman burning indicates the other theme that Kamala has been burned to death. This is the subject which the heroine Uma Rao, during her work of thesis, successfully investigates. Next, exposition and slowly. The play has well organized exposition, and slowly it rises to climax when Uma knows some reality from Anarkali, but she is not sure about the criminal. She goes to Champa, where another complications of some photograph is created. With the arrival of Salim, the marriage of Subbu slowly takes the play towards the end. There is a satisfactory end that seeing the shadow of Kamala dancing in the air and the photograph of his marriage with Kamala is handed over to Subbu by Kamala. This makes Subbu most emotional and he commits suicide. Next is suspense and mystery. The other important quality of the plot of the play is its suspense and mystery, through which Dattani gives it a touch of detective drama. The fact of Kamala's murder is not solved easily. Her body had been thrown into a pool and was recovered by the police after 4 days. Anarkali was present at the wedding and the police arrests her, although there is no solid proof against her, as Suresh tells. We only arrested her because there was no one else. There is no real proof against her. Then we find the fact disclosed that Salim often came to see her and took her out with him. Naturally, like everybody, Uma also suspects that it must be Salim's work. Moreover, Anarkali had also told her that Kamala was very beautiful and perhaps the wife of Salim had burned her to death. Uma goes directly to talk to Salim, who tells that he is yet unmarried and suddenly makes a confession that he killed Kamala. All these things enhance the interest in the plot, and we go on and actually to know as to who is the real murderer. Next, a unity of time, place, and actions. Dattani has observed the unity of time, place, and action in the plot. It is true that some time is covered, but it is not too long to distract. The tension and the compactness has been maintained. The whole action takes place within the city of Bangalore, and the characters move either to the Hijra colony or the residence of Suresh and Uma's father, or to the office in the jail. The last scene moves to the palace garden, the residence of Mr. Sharma, but not a single man ever leaves the town. The action is also united and there is single plot, the story of Kamla's murder and the efforts to solve it. Next is successful use of light. One thing that we find in the plots of Dattani is the successful use of light. Instead of marking the division, the scene is changed with the change in light. When the scene from jail is changed, he simply tells interior the bedroom of Suresh and Uma. Similarly, in another place, he remarks a spotlight on Uma as we hear her inner thoughts. Then again, lights come on Uma and Munnusamy in a car. Moreover, the supernatural touch is also very successfully introduced in them. In the play where there is will, we see that the soul of Hasmukh become more powerful after his death and he remains present in his home, controlling the actions. In his play also the presence of the soul of Kamla is felt everywhere. The picture of her marriage with Subbu is the bone of contention, and at the end his photo solves the whole tangle. It is with Champa and Salim and Mr. Sharma, or after getting it from her anyhow, what they feel. Anarkali gives it to Subbu, and the soul of Kamla arrives there to dance at his marriage. The Subbu suicide is inspired by the soul of Kamla. Next, quite logical. The whole plot has been divided into 3 acts, and this division is quite logical according to the division of the story. The dialogues are very short, as we often speak in our everyday conversation. There are no long speech nor any obsolete words used anywhere. We feel as if we are participating in their conversation. There is nothing complicated, vague, or artificial, and thus he goes deep within platitude ridden Indian society. The use of monologue and interior thinking by Uma provides an extra force to the plot. In the play of Mahesh Dattani, as has been pointed out in the introduction by Jeremy Mortimer, we are led to face up to questions of sexual identity, religious faith, family ties, and the feelings of parents for their children. If we judge this play in the light of our remark, we feel that in them is satire against the working of the police has been added. The plot of the play depends upon the activities of the police, though the central incident of the theme is a criminal murder. It is a chance that during her studies on the life of the Hijra, Uma by chance is involved by this case, not because she is the wife of the superintendent of police. Her father-in-law is the deputy commissioner. The whole plot has been contrived in such a way that it remained enclosed within the police circles. In the opening scene, we see Uma in the jail talking to Anarkali in his prison cell. There they torture the prisoners and show no humanity. The prisoners, like Anarkali, whoever tried to disobey them, whether right or wrong, are badly beaten. Munnuswamy, the police constable, says to Uma very boldly that if she is not prepared to talk to her, he will get her beaten, and the same happens if we analyze this short behavior with her, and poor Hijra cries so pathetically that Uma has to cry to stop and runs away from there out of fear. Even Suresh hates them and does not like to behave with them like human beings. The Sabu society is inspired by the soul of Kamla.